In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable low resolution video on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up or select the Start menu button, and then select the power icon. Hold down the Shift key and select Restart. When it says please wait, you can release pressure on the Shift key on your keyboard. And now select where it says Troubleshoot, reset your PC or see Advanced Options, and then select Advanced Options. Select Startup Settings, change Windows Startup Behavior, and then select Restart. And then once you have the Startup Settings page up, you want to select the F3 or Function 3 key to enable low resolution video, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope those will help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.